a grunge effect look or like a double paint brush effect on your images, this is how I will go about doing it. And I am using Canva for my phone. So I'm going to go to the plus button here and I'm going to choose a size. So let's just say for just sake of this video, I'm going to choose a poster size so it can be large enough. 18 by 24. And I'm going to go to my elements. And I'm going to bring in paintbrush as the element. Paintbrush stroke. See, here are the options, and if you don't have Pro, there are some free options, and here is one that I can choose easily. And I'm going to turn it a little bit. I'm going to make it larger, and then right here you choose your color, and we can leave that as, we'll leave it as black, but what we're going to do is duplicate it. So I'm going to duplicate that one. I'm going to make this next one red. So you see how it gives the two effects? I'm going to go to that layer, make it a little bigger. Go back to that red one and make that a little bigger. And this is how you can easily achieve this effect. You see? And if you want to go to your layers, you just choose layers. And you can go to the black one and you can make it bigger if you wanted it even a little bit larger. I want to keep it on the paper though, so I'm going to bring it in a little bit. And that's how you can easily choose that effect. And you can line it up a little bit more. You know, you can even shrink down or make this one larger. So, really quick and easy way to achieve that effect. And let's just choose an image to bring in. Let me see if I have any graduates. I have some graduates somewhere. I have tons. Let's just bring in one of the kids. We'll choose this one. And I'm going to remove the background. Effects. Background remover. And I'm going to choose done. And then I even want to change her cap and gown color. And I'm going to go to adjust, color, edit. And I want to choose blue. And let's just see. So let's just say we wanted that color. If I chose a different one, she had on a light blue, I'm going to take her out and put on one of the images that I have that has a dark blue so that you can see how you can change up. We'll take this one. And then I'm going to remove the background. And then I'm going to go to adjust. Here's the blue. And then I'm going to change the color. So these are like different color ranges that you can choose to bring in that color. So let's see where we want to be. That green is kind of nice. So now that I got that green, I'm going to take that red and I'm going to change the color of it to make it like more of that green. So we can make it a little bit different shades of green. We can go with that one. And then we can even bring in a little bit of blur to add, to kind of fade that off on the bottom So I'm going to go to my elements and I'm going to go and type in blur. And I'm going to just choose this blur. And I'm going to stretch it out. And I want to change the color of it to that green. So what I'm going to do now is duplicate that. Duplicate it and duplicate it. Now it gives me that faded off effect. So this is how you can achieve that type of look effortlessly and add in your words, and then you'll have a quick and easy graduate design. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.